Introducing a new era in material handling. FUSION, the integrated lithium-ion battery solution, now available from the factory on select Clark trucks. FUSION replaces outdated lead-acid batteries with a smarter, longer-lasting alternative, installed and optimized right from the factory. No conversion kits, no third-party retrofits, just smarter energy from the start. On average, a FUSION battery lasts 2 to 3 times longer than lead-acid. And the savings speak for themselves. Take the 36-volt SC25T. 3 lead-acid batteries cost over $27,000. 1 FUSION battery, under $15,000. That's over 50% in life cycle savings. FUSION trucks eliminate the need for dedicated charging rooms, costly infrastructure, and downtime from battery swaps. Charging is fast, under 3 hours, from 20% to full, and there's 0 cooling time. Plus, opportunity charging means your truck works on your schedule, not the batteries. FUSION is maintenance-free. No watering, no acid spills, no cleaning contracts. Just consistent, safe performance from 0 to 100% charge. With a wide operating range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, FUSION delivers in harsh environments where lead-acid fails fast. Optional cold storage packages and onboard thermal protection make FUSION the reliable choice anywhere you work. Each FUSION system includes smart battery management with alerts for charge levels and temperature, plus 4G cloud monitoring, so you can track truck health, location, and even disable the vehicle remotely if needed. FUSION is now available on 4 Clark models, engineered from the ground up for lithium performance: SC235, SEC, SET, and SES, with fully integrated systems, external charge ports, and up to 12 hours of runtime with opportunity charging. Certified FUSION chargers complete the system with Bluetooth data, LCD status display, and 95% energy efficiency. FUSION, power evolved, factory installed, field proven. Ask your Clark dealer how FUSION powered trucks can transform your fleet.